Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm out in Morley today. I wanted to come see a vegan cafe since I moved here, which was back in April. It's called the Compassionate Kitchen. So yeah, I did just go in, but they're now closing. So I've had to grab a few things just to take away and have a try. So here I've got this chocolate brownie cornflake. I think it's from their new autumn range. So I'll just show you this. How good does that look? I'm gonna have a little try now. Just of the cornflake, I think. Yeah, I can't eat this in here, it's very messy. And as I was walking out, I saw this scone, and as you know, it's really rare to have vegan scones, so I grabbed one of them as well. And then I just got a hot chocolate, simple hot chocolate. So next time I need to remember to come here a bit earlier so I can actually sit in. It looked like a really cute cafe, all nicely decorated, kind of like afternoon tea style vibes. They might do that there as well. So yeah, maybe I'll come back with a friend or with my partner. So yeah, as I'm here anyway, and I've paid for parking, and I'm sat in front of a huge B&M, and I've seen that there's a Home Bargains as well. I want to have a look at the autumn decorations, so you can come with me and see that, as I did want to show you inside the cafe and that experience. And I did get a shot of a few of the other desserts they have there, so you can have a look and go visit yourself if you'd like to. But yeah, see you there.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So I've just come for a nice walk before I head home, and this is my view. Hello. So pretty, wow. Never knew this was here. Wow. This is beautiful. So this is East Ardsley Reservoir. Again, somewhere I've wanted to come for a while. It's like a little beach. And another little one further in. Oh, this would be so nice in summer. It's lovely. Wow. It looks like up there on a hill you can walk right across there. Imagine at sunset that view. Wow. Is this just not living the life though? I'd love all this land, the houses like to themselves, the animals, the peace. It's beautiful. And with that right there, even better. So cute. Can you tell I've been for a walk? You'll have to excuse the state of my hair, but that walk was lovely and I would honestly love to live around here. Just looks really peaceful, and the animals, all the grass, the water, the reservoir. Yeah, I always feel really good after walks like that. Let me sort this out. But yeah, I went into Home Bargains and they didn't really have much autumn stuff. It was more Halloween, and they had all the Christmas stuff out already, and for saying Halloween hasn't even been and gone yet. That's quite shocking. Yeah, so I'm just surprised that they've got their Christmas stuff out already and Halloween hasn't even happened. But B&M was a bit better. You'll see in all the video anyway, so it was nice to go in there. On the way to this reservoir I did see a garden centre, so I love a garden centre. So we're going to go have a look there at their autumn stuff, and I've been really good. I haven't bought one thing yet, so I'm going to try to stay on that trend and not buy anything. But yeah, let's go have a look. So again, bit of a failure, to be honest. I mean, we're not even in October yet, and all the shops are getting rid of the autumn stuff and going full on for Christmas. You would have seen some of it on the video. Like, I really wanted to walk through it, but I'm in the autumn zone right now. I'm not in Christmas anywhere near it. We're literally, it's officially not even autumn yet, even though to me when I see a conker on the floor it's autumn. But yeah, I don't remember ever the shops ever doing that this fast before. But I asked the woman as I was coming out, I said, is that literally the only section you've got for autumn? And she was like, yeah, we're getting all the Christmas stuff in now, that won't be around much longer. And we're not even in October yet. Okay, but yeah, that was nice to go there. I was expecting to see a lot more. I'm gonna have to try different garden centres, I think. But yeah, I think, oh no, I won't end the video actually. So I'm gonna try the cakes that I bought from the cafe, the vegan cafe I went to today. So I'll try that when I get home and let you know what I think. Okay, I'm back home now and about to give this a proper taste test. Look at the thickness there, yum. And I'm not going to have this now, but just to show you properly the scone. Nice and chunky. So I'm going to cut a little piece off. So this is like what we used to have back in the 2000s at school, the top bit. I think it's that golden syrup with cornflakes. I'm not sure I like them together. I like the cornflake syrup thing, and I like a chocolate brownie, obviously. I'm not sure that they go well together. It's nice, or just for my taste buds, it's not blending, if that makes sense. I think the idea is better than the actual thing, if that makes sense. I like it, I just sort of like it a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna have the rest of that after my dinner. I'm gonna have some pasta for dinner tonight, and then I'll probably have the scone tomorrow. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment if you'd like to see more. I'll see you next time. Thank you.